Welcome to our short video on what's new with HyperVision Agent for VMware, a module available with ASG Time Navigator 442. HyperVision Agent for VMware uses ADE technology, and that's short for a tempo deduplication engine. Quite simply, it's our deduplication technology that's used for both classic deduplicated backups and our HyperVision VMware backups. Let's take a look at the various components in a typical environment. Firstly, the vCenter who manages all the virtual machines, and the ESX server that hosts the VMs, and the storage where the VMs reside. Now let's look at the Time Navigator components and understand how they work with the VMware architecture. So firstly, the Time Navigator server who is managing all the backups for the enterprise, and that includes the VMware backups. Next, we have the HyperVision agent for VMware. This is the agent who is responsible for the communication with the vCenter, and it's through this one agent that we see the entire VMware infrastructure for both backup and restore operations. Backup destinations can be to disk, and that could be virtual tape library, or physical tapes like LTO, and our backup to our HyperVision deduplication storage, HVDS, for deduplicated backups. And we can even replicate to HVDS for a secondary server for high availability. So when the full backup is initiated by Time Navigator, we take a snapshot of the virtual machine, the VMDKs, and then transfer that data to the HyperVision agent, who then writes them to the media, disk, dedupe, storage or tape. Once this has been done, the metadata is then updated into the catalogue. If CBT has been activated, then incremental backups now only send modified blocks to the HyperVision agent for the backup. So backups run faster, they use less network bandwidth and less storage for the backup. Optimizing data storage is another headache, so we can share the storage between our classic deduplicated backups and our VMware backups, all deduplicated at the source. HyperVision Agent for VMware protects both Windows and Linux VMs with optional indexing, so you can restore individual files and even see when files or directories have been deleted. File systems can also benefit from deduplication, so now there's no need to keep backing up the same data time and time again. Time Navigator's source-based deduplication technology checks before the backup to see what's been modified, so backup time is significantly reduced. Databases and applications like Oracle, DB2, Exchange, SQL can also be large, and with Time Navigator deduplication technology, these backups can also see great performance with excellent deduplication ratios too. And when extra security is required, the primary data can be replicated to a secondary server. And what's more, we can even duplicate data to tape for an off-site copy. With the benefits of source deduplication, only modified blocks are sent across the network. So this not only reduces the amount of data, but also reduces the backup window. So now all backups can be completed in record speed. Our deduplication server can be installed on either Windows or Linux operating systems, and we don't force you to buy a hardware appliance to use our deduplication software. The choice is up to you. As we understand the need to keep data for long-term data retention, and this often needs to be kept on tape, Time Navigator supports a wide range of tape libraries and drives. So now you can benefit from fast backup and restore from disk with the additional security through replicating of data or saving onto tape. Time Navigator, it's the global solution for all your data protection needs. HyperVision Agent fits seamlessly into your organization without requiring an agent installed inside each VM. Backups of both Windows and Linux VMs take advantage of VMware's block-level incremental backup mechanism using CBT technology. And that provides block-level incremental backups using VMware APIs. This ensures applications are backed up in a consistent and coherent manner. Not all VMs need to be indexed, and we offer you the choice to index individual VMs or even down to individual directories. Now that's what I call a flexible solution for my virtual machine environment. For backup to VTL targets, we offer a huge range of support, and for tape libraries too. And this gives peace of mind knowing that data is secured off-site for disaster recovery purposes. Restore from one backup from either full VM or individual files through one simple interface, and you can even see files that have been deleted. HVDS provides direct access to individual files for direct restore, and the Restore Manager presents the contents of the virtual machine the same way as any other file system. The choice to restore the entire VM by choosing Vault, or restore individual files with file mode, it's simple, and you can even search for deleted files too. Navigator 442 fully supports file indexing for Linux virtual machines and is tracking every time your Linux virtual machine is protected, so when you just need to restore one or two files, our simple Restore Manager gives you the choice, and Time Navigator manages the rest. I want to do a restore with just one or two files, so I need to choose File Mode. Now I know I deleted a file, and I can select the Show Deleted Files and instantly see files that are no longer on disk. Now I just need to tell Time Navigator what date and time I want to jump back to and simply run the restore. Restored files can be recovered to their original location somewhere else on the same VM or another location on another VM. Now the relevant media is located, and that might be disk, deduplicated storage or tape. And as you can see, the restore is in progress, and we can see this through our web UI. You've just seen how easy it is to restore data from virtual machines using Time Navigator. Our HyperVision agent offers optional indexing of virtual machines, benefits from superfast backups thanks to deduplication, and offers a simple restore of entire VMs or individual files from one single backup, and you can even see the deleted files too. Time Navigator. Everyone does backup, but we offer the simplest restore ever. ASG Time Navigator, one global solution that you can rely on.